Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all gestures what you have on your headphones Pioneer DJ. You can play and pause the song by pressing one time on multifunctional button. So now I'm playing the song, now I'm pause the song, and again I'm playing. One time more. Okay. And now you can increase the volume by pressing volume up button. Here we go. And you can lower the volume by pressing lower down button. Sorry, volume down button. Here we go. Now, if you press 2 times on multifunctional button, you will play next song. And if you press 3 times, you will play previous song. And again, here we go. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on multifunctional button, and you can also reject a call by press and hold for at least 2 seconds multifunctional button. So let's check it. Now I will reject a call. Here we go. And again. Now I will answer the call. Here we go. And when you speak with someone, you can press again one time multifunctional button and finish the call. And here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!